Hey guys, what's up? It's Keith Rainville here again, my friends. So listen, we are going to show you how to use an Instagram scraper now. This is to acquire followers of, like, let's say, a particular influencer or a brand for that might matter that might sell a similar product that you offer. Or companies that sell specific products, you can use any of that. So you just get the wheels spinning on how to use this particular Instagram follower scraper. It's amazing. It gives you emails. Now, the only thing I don't like about it is it only gives you 1 out of 10 um, followers. Okay, so they can get costly with this, but they are pretty good quality leads. On some of them, it does give you the phone number, but those are few and far between as well. So let's get into it, guys. Let's get started here. Let me see what we want to do. We're going to go to the Instagram followers, and I am going to use let's do Anthony Robbins today. Okay, so we're going to put in Anthony Robbins profile there, and then let me do 1,000 scrapes, and then avoid duplicates. This is the first time I'm scraping him, so we don't need that. I don't want to validate the emails. And then users only, usernames only, 10 times more per credit. So we're not going to do that as well. Let's just go in and get the emails from this scraper for Instagram, and let's rock and roll. Now this is real quick, guys. So once I push the button, it literally takes less than a minute to grab this data. Okay, so here we go. Hit the search, hit OK. And here you go. I did some great searches today. I did some YouTube searches today. I did some Instagram stuff as well. But the best one today was YouTube. YouTube by keyword Amazon seller it was a great tool. Got some fantastic data from that today for a client who wanted to sell his products to Amazon sellers. He had a great product. And he discounts it heavily, and those Amazon sellers can make a lot of money with his product. So he wanted to put that in their hands. Okay, so as you see, my friends, this is 205 scrapes into it, 300 now. This will go really quick, and then I'm gonna take that Excel sheet and I'm gonna spread out the columns. I'm gonna show you exactly what data comes with it. Now, again, to set the expectations, it's about 1 in every 10. So we should get approximately out of this maybe 100 emails. Okay, then I'll send them to the verifier. And actually, I have to say that the emails are pretty good. So maybe 5 to 10% will be bad, but even still. But so now, if you're super targeting a brand or an influencer's type clients, this data, is you sell one of your products. If it's a high-end product, and this is light, it's not expensive at all. This is lightweight stuff. So this to get targeted individuals from either a company that sells a similar product or an influencer that's followers may want your product. This stuff is just gold. Okay. So here we go. We got just a few seconds here to go, guys. And I told you this was pretty quick. And it's approximately under a minute, maybe a minute now. So here we go. 8:30. We're at 9:26. And we're almost done. All right, 1,000. There we go. So we're done. We're going to download this CSV now. And then I'm going to take that CSV. I'm going to bring it over here for you so you can see that. And then I'm going to spread these columns out here. Okay. All right, now we are going to take this column out. I don't need it. Biography, email, don't need that. But you know what? If it's an email and the other column doesn't have it, I can actually take that. What I'll do is I'll go like this. Some of them have phones. So I'm going to go like this, and I'm going to sort this. So all the emails come to the top, okay? I'm going to hit Control A and kind of clear the formats on it so it's nice like that. Now, down here, I check out the biography emails, and there's some repetitive stuff there, okay? There's not repetitive stuff over here, though. So what I'm going to do is I'll take this email. Who was that person? I'll take this email, line 181. Oops, let's go up a little bit further. Let's do, let's just take that one out. Line 181, right here. Now it's 180. And I could actually just move these over. All right. Move that over there. And move that over there. That gives me a few more emails, right? All right, here we go. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do that again. Sort it out. And then I'm going to take that column out. I don't need it anymore. Bar email status. There's the phone numbers. There's the username. There's how many followers they have. And whatever links they have on their profile. Let's see what this stuff is over here. Looks like their biography. I really don't need that. I really don't need this column either, so I'm just going to take it out. All three of those. Okay. Digital creator. URL. Yes, I really don't need any of that stuff. I'm just going to go like this. Take that out. Take that out. Take that column out there. All right, that's what they do. And then I'll just leave this like this. And then I'm going to go down here and just go like this and erase all that other stuff. All right. So there we go. So now we've got our email list. Let me remove that hyperlink. So now we've got our email list. So now I got to make sure that, to clean this list up, I just got to go through and just make sure that like this stuff there, it's just garbage. But that there is just garbage again. So I'm going to just take that out as well. So now I have the person's, that's an empty line. I could just go like this, sort this out again. And if it doesn't have anything, I'll just take it out. Okay. So anyway, so we got the name of the person's channel, and we've got their email address, phone number, username, their media account, category, what they do, and their URL to it. Okay. So that's all basically I really need. I really just want this stuff here. I don't trust this to use a personalized, email for them. So I'll just use a generic salutation on this for Anthony Robbins. Instagram, this will align with, let's say a course product I have, or something of that nature. So anyway, so that's that. So I could send this now to my verifying software, and then from there, basically, I would put that into my server or your cold email system, and then just send that out with your offer, guys. So that's how you scrape Instagram, my friends. So we've got a lot more that I'm going to show you on the channel, guys. So don't forget, if you want the videos to keep coming, just do me a favor, just like and subscribe for me, give some encouragement. But my big one is coming pretty soon. It's the real estate stuff, and this is going to be huge, guys. It's absolutely going to be huge for real estate agents to gain property lists of all the property owners in their territory. guys, and that is absolutely priceless. You're talking, vacant homes for investors, homes that are just recently off the market, or haven't been relisted or just came off listings. So there's a tremendous opportunity for realtors to get listings and investors to get vacant homes and properties. There's a lot of filters, but we're going to do several videos on that because it is an in-depth software, guys. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.